What's up, everyone? I'm Dennis, or aka Star Fox Gamer 62 from Twitter, or Blue Fox Gamer Glitch here, and today we're gonna review my old keyboard. Yes, guys, I know it's crazy. We're gonna do my old keyboard review. All right, you people were asking how long this keyboard was been here and why he looked like this. For good reason is I didn't clean it for past I think it was from 7 years ago. I used this keyboard for 7 years ago. Um how I got this, my dad bought me for my birthday. It cost like $35 for in the techno tech store. I don't remember what's it called, the store, but they just sold crazy shit like this. Um, because it's old and the like it still works eventually, but it needs to clean up. Like Jesus, I didn't clean up for like past few years. This is like my old keyboard will look like this, but look at this. It's fucking crazy. It is so dirty, and there's my dog's hair inside of the keyboard because I didn't forgot to clean it because I was so busy with my life and forgot about it and I just forgot about it. So let me test. Let's just test with the sounds. Okay, let's do it. It's actually so smooth, doesn't it, mates? Holy shit. I'm just smashing like so this is actually my old keyboard. Okay, this is my old keyboard. Don't post, don't just share, don't clip that. I'm just I'm just testing my own keyboard. Just if anyone doesn't like this video, just fuck off. That's all. That's all. Just fuck off. That's all. So this is why I don't talk about, because I didn't clean it. It's been like few years, I think 7 years on this. Let me check. Let's see how much grease there does have. Damn, is I have a lot of dirt. So I don't remember why I stopped. I don't know why I stopped using this keyboard. Because I was busy, and look at this. It needs to like clean up, like everywhere, because there's too much like dirt like this, whatever they would just call it. This is okay. Well, let's check on the side. This is so I don't know how to explain this. It's just so fucking old. It was made from China. I didn't know it because it have this. Okay, I forgot. I didn't forget about they have this for like. You know what? Like okay. Let me just turn that and. It's just like this. If I didn't know that it had those legs to hold my keyboard. Okay. Do you hear this? Do you fucking hear this this stuff, man? Yes, it's crazy. Alright, that's all for everything right now. So I will do this episode on how to clean my keyboard. So thank you so much for live this video. I will live it. Punch the subscribe button in this link in description. My main channel, like on description. If you like this video, you have to subscribe right now. It will be more every episode. So I'm just stutter every time in the videos. So this is actually my episode. This is actually my first episode of this. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace.